Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Mystical Phoenix Tarot. I thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we are doing a bonus reading, and this time we know who the person is or the sign is because it's the last one in the set. So we are doing Cancer for this bonus reading. So let's go ahead and get your oracle messages for Cancer for this bonus reading. Okay, you have number 28, Blessed Sight. And on the bottom, number 10, Responsibility. Let's get the handmade cards. I'm going to shuffle these up, cut them into 3, and take the top 3 cards. Messages for Cancer for this bonus reading. Okay, you have Speak Your Truth, Third Party Cheating, oh boy, and Take a Risk. Okay, on the bottom, Wishing Ill Will on You. So either Cancer is the one cheating, or Cancer's finding out that someone's cheating. Alright, let's get the cards laid out. Messages for Cancer for this bonus reading. Okay, for the energy, you have options: difficult decision, exploring possibilities, fear of choosing wrong. The situation, love's growth, love that grows with time, needs time to grow, unexpected lessons in love. The outcome, extravagant gestures, gestures from the heart, walking the talk, making it up to you. And on the bottom is sex, bond filled with lust, acting on sexual desires, love or lust. I don't know, these cards, you could be in a situation where you're seeing someone who may be with someone else. Like the other person is actually cheating. You may be unaware of it. So let's get started with the tarot. So the energy is options: difficult decision, exploring possibilities, fear of choosing wrong. Options. You have the Ace of Wands in reverse. This is clearly some kind of cheating situation. This may be a situation where you're put in a possibility to put in a position to possibly cheat. A difficult decision to make, or making a choice. Ace of Wands in reverse. Two of Wands in reverse. Not leaving one thing behind to take action towards something else. Not being at a crossroads. Two of Wands in reverse. Nine of Swords, worried. This is also about choosing. Two Wands in the upright can be about choosing between two people. Six of Cups in reverse, not going back to the past. Ace of Wands in reverse. Empress in reverse. Taurus, Libra energy. You may be worried that your person is cheating with like their ex or their baby mama, baby daddy. Two of Wands in reverse. Ten of Swords. This may have happened in the past. Nine of Swords. Because Ten of Swords in reverse. Unfinished business. Yeah, someone thinks something isn't over with someone else. This feels to me like someone's worried about someone else cheating. Ten of Swords in reverse can be like the worst is over, or a harsh ending, or a backstabbing, or betrayal in the past. So this is making me feel like either someone is worried that something isn't over with a past person, or this has already happened in the past and someone's afraid that it's happening again. Options. Mars in Aries, impulsiveness, first house. First house appearances or outward personality. I mean, this could also be someone may be worried because they're messing with their past person. Like worried about getting caught, possibly. Impulsiveness. Mars in Scorpio, revenge, 8th house. 8th house is sex, death, letting go, regeneration, other people's money, and sharing. Revenge. Jupiter in Cancer, 4th house, speculation. 4th house is home, parents, roots, and inner security. This could be a situation where someone may have cheated on their person, like in the past, and someone may feel like someone is cheating on them to get some sort of revenge, or like it almost would be like eye for an eye type situation. Or someone's the thing about it is it's saying someone's worried about this. It's not saying that someone knows for a fact that this is happening. So this is like someone's concern, or someone has concerns. It looks like they're concerned about whether they're going to get chosen or not. I don't know. Let's see the situation. So love's growth is a situation. Love that grows with time, needs time to grow. Unexpected lessons in love. Love's growth. Knight of Wands. There's someone here who is a huge player. I'm really not seeing who exactly that is. Knight of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. King of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. King of Wands. Five of Cups, regret and disappointment. See, Seven of Swords is on the bottom. That's liar, cheater, thief. It looks to me like someone here is cheated and they're trying to suck up is what it looks like to me. Especially this outcome being extravagant gestures. Or it's like they done what they done and now they're like worried about whether the person that they done this to is going to stay with them. Knight of Wands. Three of Pentacles. Yeah, this is three-party. King of Wands. King of Wands. The Devil. I'm telling you. Five of Cups. You could be dealing with a Capricorn, but that Devil with the King of Wands and this Three of Pentacles with the Knight of Wands, this is like huge player energy. Was that two shuffles for the Five of Cups? Five of Cups. Nine of Swords. It looks like the person who's cheated is the one who's worried, because we have the Nine of Swords here with the World in reverse. Like a cycle hasn't ended, or there's unfinished business. Someone's worried about having regret or disappointment. It's like someone's afraid of getting caught. Someone's afraid they're fixing to get caught. Love's growth. And more than it's an unexpected lessons in love. So more than likely the scenario here is this person is cheating on someone who truly loves them. And they're fixing to figure that out once all this is done and over with. Love's growth. Moon in Taurus, second house, exaltation. Second house is money, possessions, values, and skills. Exaltation. Mars in Aquarius, 11th house, rebellion. 11th house is friends, groups, goals, and aspirations. Rebellion. Mars in Taurus, second house. More, second house, money, possessions, values, and skills. There is a lot of Mars energy showing up here. So I don't know if someone here has like a temper or just very, has a lot of aggression. Fire, it's like fiery energy. But, what I'm seeing from this is someone who is like, it's like Jekyll and Hyde, but instead of Jekyll and Hyde, it's like devil angel. Someone is pretending to be an angel when they're really the devil. That's what I'm getting here with this exaltation, rebellion, and defense. This is like someone, this is just someone trying to cover their ass to keep from getting caught. Or they're trying to defend why they did what they did. Either way, this is not good. Whoever, this person is just bad news all the way around. It seems like they're a huge player. They can't take accountability for their actions. They want to do what they want to do, and if they get caught, they want forgiveness for that so they can continue doing what they're doing. So it doesn't matter how you look at this. This person just needs to go on somewhere. This person doesn't need to be in a relationship, period. The outcome is extravagant gestures. Gestures from the heart, walking the talk, and making it up to you. Extravagant gestures. Justice in reverse. A lack of truth, an imbalance, something being unfair. Libra energy, justice in reverse. Queen of Cups, that's Cancer energy. Yeah, this is being done to Cancer, I think. More than likely, just take it out, resonates. Queen of Cups. It's Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Eight of Cups in reverse. That's returning or hasn't walked away yet. Seven of Swords still on the bottom. Liar, cheater, thief. See, this extravagant gesture is someone trying to suck up to someone that they've done something unfair to. Like, if I do this extravagant gesture, maybe you'll overlook all the other shitty things that I've done. Justice in reverse. Two of Cups. I'm telling you. Whoever this is thinks they have the person that they're doing this to like a puppet on a string. Queen of Cups. This is someone Yeah, Five of Cups, regret and disappointment. This is someone that if you give in to this, all you're doing is giving them the green light to do this again. Eight of Cups in reverse. King of Swords. Five of Pentacles in reverse. Coming in out of the cold. Coming out of financial struggle. King of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. See, we have the Five of Cups here. See, this makes me feel like someone's crying over someone that doesn't even deserve their tears. King of Swords is about using logic. This could also be a lawyer. This could also be, this is about speaking your truth. I may get another card for that. Extravagant gestures. Sun in Aquarius. You could be dealing with an Aquarius. This person's going to try to return. Sun in Aquarius, idealism, 11th house, 11th friends, groups, goals, and aspirations. 11th house. Mercury in Aries, first house, restlessness. Appearances, outward personality, restlessness. Moon in Aquarius, 11th house, independence, friends, groups, goals, aspirations. This, I'm telling you, it seems to me like this person's trying whatever they can to get back in. This is one of those types of people that think they can do whatever they want. And then once they get caught, this person thinks they can weasel their way back in. And they're trying. It's almost like they're saying, let's just try starting out being friends again. And I'm telling you, this person's a snake in the grass. Let me see what this King of Swords... What is the King of Swords with the Eight of Cups in reverse? Yeah, Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Broken family, broken home. What about Ten of Pentacles in reverse with the King of Swords? It's clear they're wanting another chance. They're wanting to return. They're wanting to talk. They're just trying to find a way in. I feel like this person thinks if they can just start a conversation with the other person, that they can, melt their heart, so to speak, get them to soften, whatever. It feels to me like a game to this person. It feels to me like this person knows how to manipulate the other. And the thing about it is if this other person is not strong enough to see that for what it is, or see this person for who they are, this is just going to be a repeating cycle. It's just going to repeat and repeat. And it may already, I said earlier that it may have already repeated. So, yeah. Yeah, something's got to give here at some point. Alright, let's get the timing cards. Messages for Cancer for this bonus reading. You have next couple of days, January, not in this lifetime. The time is now. On the bottom, it's worth the time. There's a lot about time. So you have the numbers 2, 31, 15, 10, and 8. Alright, Cancer, that is what I have for you. If this reading did resonate, please hit the like button, subscribe if you like, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.